Morning, y'all. Guess what? We have Lawson today. I get to babysit Lawson. So we're going to be recording him today. I just picked him up. Yeah, so I'm fixing to take him home and we're going to be recording today. I'm going to have so much fun. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Ain't this a gooing and a going? Yeah, this is a smiling. That's Gigi's pretty boy. Yeah. Oh, you can talk. He's talking. You gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah, you gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah. You gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah. Yeah. That my boy. Yeah. That my boy. Yeah. That my boy. Yeah. Yeah, Gigi loves you. Yeah, love you, darling. We're gonna get us a bath. Yeah, we're gonna get us a bath. Gigi gonna give you a bath. Yeah, I am. I wanna get a bath. I wanna get a bath. Yeah. Would you like to get a bath this? You gonna do some more talking? You don't say. You gonna tell Gigi about it? You gonna talk to me? Yeah. Yeah. Nap. Did you go sleep and take a little nap? Oh, feel better now. You feel better now you had a little nap. Yeah, that baby had a little nap. Yeah. He's had a bath and he had some food and he went to sleep. Yeah. That's my sweet baby. Hey. Yeah, that my sweet Lawson. Yeah. Oh, them hands is gonna go. Oh, yes, you like throwing them hands around, don't you? Yes, you do. Yeah. That's my pretty Lawson. Yeah. You're gonna talk to me? Is gonna talk to me? Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? He's wide awake. Yeah. Oh, wide awake. And so pretty. Yeah, and so pretty. That's my pretty boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's Gigi's pretty boy. He's just gonna stare around, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna look all around. Yeah. You gonna talk? Oh, what's you hitting yourself for? Huh? Or punching yourself with your fingers? Huh? Yeah, that's a pretty boy. Yeah, you gonna wink? Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Yeah. He's so pretty. He gonna talk? Huh? You gonna talk? He's so pretty. Yeah. That's my pretty boy. Yeah. I'm so happy to have Gigi's boy with me. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. Hey, honey. Who wanna go bye-bye? We're gonna go for a ride. You wanna go for a ride? You do? We'll go for a ride? We go visiting. Yeah, we'll go see Miss Denise. Yeah. We'll go for a ride. You do? Yeah. We go riding. Yeah, we go visiting. Yeah, we so real. Ready? You all changed and fed. Oh, who's such a cootie? Who's such a cootie? You gonna talk? You gonna hide your face? Yeah. Gigi loves you. I love you so much. Okay. Let's go. Then, now we're gonna try and get the rest of you done. Okay? Here we go.
Got your blanket.
Looky there, Lawson.
Finally got your blankie.
Look at that, Lawson. Look at that pretty blanket that Miss Denise made for you. Isn't that pretty? I told you we were coming to see Miss Denise. Yeah, you were tickled about that too, weren't you? You were just a-smiling. Yes, you was a happy camper.
He says, I want to go back to sleep. Let me go back to sleep. Look at the smile. Oh, I got to pick him up.
Really, you can.
I got to pick you up.
Go right ahead.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Forget how to use these stupid things. There we go. Oh my God, they got them armored in.
They do. It's terrible.
We used to just put them on the seat.
Yeah.
Come here. Oh, I know. It's hard to come out of that. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't cry. Sit up here and look at Gigi. You want him to call you Gigi?
Yeah.
Sit up here.
Yeah.
Look at him, Mom. Look at her.
You need that right now to calm you down?
Says I'm calm. I don't want that thing. I don't want that thing. It's okay. Were you eating? Were you eating?
I was eating for a little bit. I had to pull over because he started fussing a little bit, so I pulled
woke you
over
up.
and gave him his
We
bottle.
woke you up, didn't we? Yes, we did.
There's his bottle right there.
Yeah. Oh, you're dry. You're dry. You want something?
Yeah, I changed him before I came.
Nom nom. That's good stuff.
Yeah. He's a very good baby.
I don't know who he looks like. I mean, the eyes look like yours.
Well, I think he looks like his daddy.
Really?
Yeah.
But he's got those, he's going to have eyes like you. They're far apart. Yeah.
Yes, he is. He's a cutie pie. Yes, he is. He's a cutie pie. Yes, he is. That's Gigi's cutie pie. Yes, he is. Look at that cutie pie. Yes. That's Gigi's cutie pie. Yeah. Hey, darling. Hi, honey. Hey. I'm glad to see Gigi. I'm so glad to see Gigi. Yeah. Hey, darling. Yeah. Gigi came to see you today. Yes, I did. I came to see that baby. Yeah. I'm glad Gigi came to see you. Yeah. That's my pretty boy. Yes, it is. He's so handsome. Yes, he is. That's my darling. Yeah. Look at him. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that smile. Yeah. Oh no, Gigi's voice. Yes, you do. Him knows his Gigi's voice. Yeah. Yeah. He's a happy boy. Yes, you are. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. We're gonna talk to me. You gonna talk to me? Yeah. You gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah. Yeah, Gigi's boy. Yes, it is. Yeah. Flex them muscles. Flex them muscles. Yeah. Flex them muscles. Look at him smile. Yeah. He's wide awake. Yes, he is. He's wide awake. He is. That's my baby. Yeah. Oh, watch him stretch. Oh, goodness. Oh. Mm-hmm. You're gonna talk. You're gonna talk. Yeah. Let me hear that baby talk. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Yeah. That baby gonna talk. That baby like talking. Yes, he does. That weak baby. Yeah. That's a weak darling.
You gonna show him what I made pop up for Father's Day?
Yeah, I guess I could.
Oh, you guess you could. You hear that, Lawson? Doesn't care about me.
Hey, we're busy with Lawson right now. Lawson is the center of attention right now. Say, it's all about me, Mama. It's all about me right now. Say, yeah. Say, I center attention right now. Say, yeah, it's all about me. What's that smile?
Aww.
Yeah, it's all about me.
He doesn't act like this with me and Dakota. He usually just sleeps, right, babe?
Say, I know my Gigi. I know my Gigi's voice.
Yeah, that is crazy. He doesn't act like that with us. He just sleeps all day and then he just stares at us. Like, why are you staring at us?
Say, I know my Gigi. Say, I like talking to my Gigi. Yeah. Say, I like talking to my Gigi. Yeah. Say, yeah. Then I'm all about being on the camera. Yeah. 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 See, I like being on this camera. Yeah. Yeah. I like talking on the camera. Yeah. I'm all about it. Yeah. I sure am. I'm all about it. Yes, I am. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes.
You turn on your hotspot, please.
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, my. Okay. We're going to have to show everybody what your mama got your great-grandpa. Let's see if we can hold it up. Let's see. We get it where it don't have reflection here. She got this made this for him for Father's Day. Yeah. Can y'all see this? There. I'll see. Yep. Yeah, I'm all about that. Yeah, I'm all about the camera. Yeah, we ain't worried about that fish. It's all about me. So y'all keep the camera on me. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's all about me. Yeah, it's all about me. Yeah, have fun with me. Yeah. That's my baby boy. Yeah. Gigi loves you, darling. Yeah. Oh, goodness, he got a cough. He got a cough. He got a cough. He's such a cutie pie. Really? Really? You gonna talk? Yeah, you gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah, you gonna talk to Gigi? Yeah. I had such a wonderful time spending with my great-grandson. Oh, it was just a pleasure to babysit him, and then to go and see my best friend and let her see him, and she made him such a beautiful baby blanket. She crocheted it, and it was lovely. So we had a good time hanging out, and then today I went back and seen him, and it was just wonderful. So I hope y'all enjoy this video as much as I have enjoyed hanging out with him. And as always, God bless y'all. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos. Love y'all. God bless y'all.